Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot a TP-Link router when it says there is no internet connection. So start by checking the indicator lights on the router as they can help identify the problem. You should normally see a power indicator, an internet indicator, and lights for your wired or wireless connections. If the power light is completely off, check that the router's power adapter is connected securely and receiving power. If the internet light is off or appears red, the router may not be receiving a connection from your modem. Also, make sure the Wi-Fi indicators are active or blinking, which shows that the wireless network is operating. Next, try accessing the internet from your device. If you still see a no internet connection message, open any web browser and access the router's configuration page. In the address bar, enter 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Then press enter. You should see a login screen. Unless you previously changed the credentials, the default username and password are usually both admin. After logging in, find the network or WAN section in the router settings. Check the current internet connection type. For most standard home connections, this should be set to dynamic IP or automatic IP. If another option is selected, switch it to the appropriate setting and save your changes. Give the router a couple of minutes to establish the connection again. If you're still offline, open the System Tools section and select Reboot. Allow the router to restart completely, then try accessing the internet again. These steps should help you troubleshoot a TP-Link router that is showing no internet access. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.